Hello Scorpio, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star Star Star. So Scorpio, this is your reading for the month of February 2021. This is a general reading, so please take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid, okay? Alright Scorpio, before we proceed, let me tell you that I'm starting a new series of who is coming towards you. And now this may be a past person, this may be a new person. What I'm going to tell you in this, I'm doing it for all the zodiac signs and I'll be doing this once in a month, okay? Apart from the general readings that I'm doing for you people. So what I'm going to tell you in this reading is that what is the current energy of the person who is coming towards you? What are their behavioral attributes? What are their physical attributes? So when we talk about the physical attributes, it will be like what is their skin color, what is their height, what is their eye color, their facial features, then their clothing style, etc. Okay, and at the end we'll see what is the advice regarding this person who is coming towards you. Okay, all right Scorpio, let's get started. So please tell me who is coming towards Scorpio. Spirits, tell me who is coming towards Scorpio. Who is coming towards Scorpio? What is the current energy? Who is coming towards Scorpio? What is the current energy of the person who is coming towards Scorpio? Spirits, tell me what is the current energy of the person who is coming towards Scorpio? I'm going to pull out 3 cards to check the current energy. 2 of Swords, 7 of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Right. So Scorpio, your person may have air placements and earth placements. This person may be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This person may be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Alright, let's not remain fixed on the signs. If the sign pops up, all the better. Okay. So with the 2 of Swords, with the 7 of Wands and the Knight of Pentacles, what I'm getting is, unlike what I saw for other zodiac signs today, I can see that this is your past person, Scorpio, who wants to come towards you or who is coming towards you. Okay, this person was a bit indecisive in the past as to what they wanted from this connection. What is it that they wanted from you? But I believe with that 7 of Swords, they are currently getting the karma for what they did to you. Okay, Scorpio, this person is absolutely getting the karma of what for the wrong they have done to you. This person is facing certain difficulties in their life right now. Okay, this person may be facing some financial difficulties, financial constraints, and karma is taking their care. Karma is teaching them some certain lessons. Okay, this person is having especially people whom they trusted the most, your person, they have betrayed your person. Okay, or they are betraying your person. They are no more siding your person. They are no more uh, they are no more in favor of your person. That's what I'm getting. Okay, and they are really there to rip your person apart, especially when it comes to money. These people know that they can influence your person a lot. Okay, they know that your person is codependent on them, so these people are making sure that they keep on giving a wrong picture, especially about you and this connection. And now this is what happened in the past, and now this person is realizing that these people are not at all trustworthy, and they portrayed a wrong picture, and your person is absolutely surprised and heartbroken over the fact that they trusted the wrong people in their life. Okay, this person knows that they are receiving the karma because they hurt you. Okay, the surprise factor is because the trust is broken by the people whom they trusted the most. Okay, and now with the Knight of Pentacles, this person is intending to come towards you to offer a stable offer, to make a stable offer. This person has understood that they have realized their own mistakes. I can clearly see that they have realized their own mistakes, and they they do not just want to come towards you, but they also want to confess what all happened behind the scenes. Okay, especially during this period of separation, what all happened, they want to come and tell you, they want to come and share that with you. Okay, and why their opinion changed, and why they were early, why there were those misunderstandings, and why they separated from you. Of course their behavior was wrong, and they're going to come ahead and they're going to say sorry to you. They may also offer something to you, but I can clearly see that this person is they have realized their mistakes and they are coming towards you, Scorpio. Right, so let's see what are the behavioral attributes of this person. What are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Scorpio? For very few of you, Scorpio, I am feeling that for very few of you, this may be a new person. Okay, this person has learned their lessons of trusting the wrong people. They trusted the wrong people in the past, and they got their lessons for trusting the wrong people. Now this person has transformed, and now this person is more diligent, and they have left everyone who took their undue advantage. They have left all the people and all the situations who like, you know, who were not serving their highest good, and they have taken a different life journey now. This probably this person may have also shifted places. They are getting relocated somewhere. This person is changing countries. Okay, and probably that's how they may see you. Okay, once they get relocated to your place, that's how you people will meet. So for very few of you, this is a new person, but for some of you, this is a most likely this is a past person. What are the behavioral attributes? What are the behavioral attributes? What are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Scorpio? What are the behavioral attributes of the person who is coming towards Scorpio? Again, 3 cards, 10 of Swords. I'm telling you, this person has left many people. 6 of Pentacles. Temperance, yeah. A very strong balancing energy. This person may have a strong Libra in their chart. Right. So 10 of Swords indicates that this person doesn't mind leaving and cutting off people and situations. They are brave enough when they understand that that people and situations no more serve them. They are not at all hesitant in cutting off people or situations from their life. They may have also cut off their near and dear ones from their life when they realize that these near and dear ones are no more serving them. Okay, this person is good at cutting out people. Okay, at the same time, I also see that this person has shifted a lot of places. Okay, they may have stayed in different countries. Someone who is an adventurer, but someone who also wants to explore the life. That's what I'm getting, and explore different places. And probably they are into some sort of a profession which requires them to change the countries. Okay, or which requires them to shift the location. This person may also be in an army. Okay, 6 of Pentacles is they believe in equal give and take, and they know that they were not like this in the past. Okay, probably this person was a taker in the past, but now whatever karmic lessons they have gone through, they have realized the importance of equal give and take. In fact, nowadays this person is very much into, you know, they are very much generous. They are very much into donations and something like that, or they are very much into social service activities. With the Temperance card, I believe that first of all, you people may be twin flames. Secondly, they believe giving fair chances, okay, to certain situations and people before they can cut them off. Okay. uh, and another thing is, this person may be in the profession of law or something like that, I'm getting. Okay, for some of you, this person may be in the profession of law or in the military. I'm getting a very strong background, something related to the government, something related to being fair. This person may also be into medical field. Okay. This person, their ancestors, their spirit team is bringing them towards you. Okay, their spirit team wants collaboration with you, Scorpio. Okay, so their spirit team is pushing them to transform. Their spirit team is pushing them to work on themselves and then come towards you. Okay. They are, having said so, this person is protected. Okay, this person is protected, and this person has encountered many life threatening situations, but they have come out of that because of their strong protection that is being offered to them. Okay. This person believes in justice a lot. Okay, especially because of the lessons, karmic lessons they have undergone. Right. So what are the physical attributes? What are the physical attributes of the person who Scorpio is gonna meet? What are the physical attributes of the person uh, who Scorpio is gonna meet? I'm gonna pull out 6 cards for this. Hierophant, 3 of Wands, 9 of Swords, 9 of Wands, Justice, I told you, and the Devil. Right. So this person, first of all, this person likes isolation a lot. Okay, they love that me time of theirs. And right, so they have a very a wide smile. Okay, their jawline is very wide, and when they smile, uh, they have a very bright smile, and probably they have that infectious smile, and they have some mystery around them. Okay, that's why they attract many people, especially the opposite sex. This person is tall. Okay. uh, if it's a male, this person is around till 6 feet. If it's a female, she is around about 5'10". Okay, but this person is tall, and this person is either dark or they are either white. For very few of you, this person may be brown. Okay. This person has hazel color eyes or yellow color eyes, or for rest of them it's black eyes. Okay, but if it's a shade in the eye color, then it's hazel or yellow color. Okay, they have curly hair, but they have very dense thick hair. Okay, so their hair is a prominent feature in their entire personality, and they have a long nose probably. Okay, and very intense eyes. Fitness level is very good. They have long legs and long hands. Okay, and their palm looks very strong. It's not a very bulky muscular body, that's not I see, but the fitness is very good. Okay, flat abs, flat stomach. They may have some tattoo and piercings on their body. They may have done some body art. Okay, this person may be into drinking and smoking a lot. They have some sort of addictions, and this person likes to, most of the time this person likes to remain shirtless, but they cannot do so while they are working. But this person prefers casuals over formals. They don't like wearing formals much. Okay, and they like to dance for some of you. And this person really gets heartbroken very fast when they know that their near and dear ones have broken their heart, or their near and dear ones are not their well wishers. This person keeps on crying a lot. Okay, especially in matters of love also. If they are broken hearted, then they cry a lot. Let me tell you that. okay, and they don't cry sitting in their bedroom at home. They go somewhere in isolation, maybe in the forest or maybe in the secluded beach area, okay, and then they sit over there and then they cry, okay, or on the mountains or something like that. They sit over there and then they cry. And this person loves sports, okay, they love sports, they are into physical activities, they are into sports activities. This person may love surfing, okay, and this person, yeah, this person is into probably this person is going back for higher education or taking up some additional education. This person is into field of law for some of you, or in the military, okay, and this person is your twin flame. They will keep on coming back in your life, Scorpio, even if you reject them. Intermittently, they will keep on showing up in your life, irrespective. Probably this will happen, go on till eternity. Okay, till the time, you know, things do not become correct between both of you. This person will keep up showing, they will keep on showing up in your life. Even in the next lifetimes also, this person will keep on showing up till the time there is not a happy ending between both of you. Okay, there is some cycle, karmic cycle, that is there between both of you. Okay, so even if you reject now, this person will come up in your life, they will show up in your life again after some point of time. This person is interested in getting married to you, okay, but probably you will be a bit hesitant initially to accept them back or not, okay. You will be very much stubborn, that's what I see. This person is doing good financially, okay, their wealth is really good. They don't have to worry at all on their financial front. They are doing very good, okay. This person loves, probably they may be having a house near the water body, but this person loves going on to the beaches, okay. They love doing water sports, that's what I'm getting, okay. This for some of you, this person may also be a psychic, a healer, a tarot card reader. They are into that profession of occult sciences, astrologer or palmist or something like that. Okay, right. So let's see what is the advice for this connection. What is the advice for this connection? Door to personal healing and happiness. Wow. So probably both of you are going to bring a lot of healing and happiness to one another once you reunite. Okay. All right, Scorpio. I hope this resonates. Please hit like, share, and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye.